everyone, it's Shalini and welcome back to my channel. So you all have been asking for my daily skincare routine and that will be soon up on my channel. But in this video, I'm going to talk about some of the monthly and weekly skin and hair care routine of mine. So this is going to be very relatable, realistic, basic things which I like to do on a monthly and weekly basis to maintain the overall health and appearance of my skin, my body, So I hope you will find this video helpful and enjoy watching this. Number 1, waxing. I've taken a salon appointment for my waxing. Today I will go for Rika waxing. This is something which I've been doing for over 2 years now. Yes, waxing will not only remove the hair from your body, but it will help in also exfoliating your body. It will help with the ingrown hair. Dead skin भी निकालेगा आपकी body से. Also, it will remove tanning. So इसके काफी फायदे होते हैं. Plus, no hairy body for over 2 weeks. So let's go. I've already taken shower. मैंने अपनी पूरी body को scrub किया है using a organic loofah. So चलो चलते हैं. And we are done. Let's go home. So I'm back home and I've also taken my second shower of the day. So salon जाने से पहले I took shower just to clean my body and scrub my body, exfoliate my body properly. And after my salon appointment, I like to take shower again. Even though उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से hygiene maintain करके waxing किया था, but I still like to take cold shower. So cold water use करने से जो भी open हो जाते हैं pores waxing की वजह से वो close हो जाते हैं. Now I'm going to apply some lotion all over my body. I don't want to leave it open and I want to heal my body also. So I'm going to mix some tea tree oil by Alenza to my body lotion. This is Mamaearth body lotion, hydrating body lotion. This is their aloe vera and cucumber one, and also this is paraben free and sulfate free. And you all know that my love for paraben free and sulfate free products, they really suit my skin a lot. Now aloe vera and cucumber has cooling properties, so वो मेरी body को मिल जाएगा. It will also heal my body. And tea tree oil is the strongest antifungal and antibacterial oil, so ये बहुत important है मेरे लिए. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take like 3 pumps of this. ये oil खत्म होने वाला है guys. Yeah, it's getting over. I need to buy a new oil. 2 drops of this. Wow. And apply this all over my body. So mixing some tea tree oil to my body lotion was a very small step, but this can really save your skin. Hair masking. This is what I like to do for my hair once a week. This will provide nourishment to my hair, also deeply condition my hair and will take care of my damaged and frizzy ends. So overall health and shine को maintain करने के लिए I like to mask my hair once a week. So the mask which I have been using lately for my hair for over a month now is by Mamaearth. This is their argan hair mask. I love the brand Mamaearth because they make paraben free and vegan friendly products. So yes, I have been trying a lot of their products lately. So this particular mask has argan oil, avocado oil and protein in it. So this is their 200 ml of bottle and the price for this one is 599 rupees. I also have a discounted coupon code for their official website mamaearth.in. You can use this coupon and get 20% off. आप कुछ भी खरीद सकते हो उनके website से. So let's just apply this mask and then I will tell you how this could be beneficial for your hair. Now how to apply a hair mask. This point is very important if you want maximum benefit from a hair mask. Point number 1, you need to work on cleaned hair. I washed my hair yesterday. So this is what they are looking like. कुछ भी extra product नहीं है. Wash किया था and condition किया था. Point number 2, wear a t-shirt, old t-shirt जिसके बारे में you do not even care. So this is my घर का t-shirt which I am wearing. And point number 3, क्योंकि वो एक oil based mask है और अगर आपको maximum benefit और nourishment चाहिए आपके बालों के लिए तो आपको उसको dry hair में लगाना पड़ेगा. Damp hair repel कर सकता है oil based mask को. So keep that in mind. This is a oil based mask you guys. So first I'm going to detangle my hair. ज़्यादा बाल नहीं है मेरे. Okay, detangling is done. Now I need to section my hair in 2 parts. थोड़ा सा मास्क निकाल लेते हैं अलग से. मुझे अपना मास्क अलग से निकाल लगता है क्योंकि मुझे हाइजीन मेंटेन करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है अपने प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए. So this much is fine I guess. पहले जो भी स्पून में बचा वो लगा लेते हैं. Smells so good. Smells like oil treatment. Smells amazing. So as I told you, this hair mask contain argan oil in this, which is one of the prominent ingredient in this mask. So argan oil is known for deeply conditioning the hair and scalp. Lens are very important क्योंकि ये बहुत ही damaged हैं. The next key ingredient in this mask is avocado oil, which can help in stimulate blood flow and unclogged blocked follicles, which basically means this can help with hair loss problems that you're facing. So the last key ingredient this one has is milk protein. Our hair is made up of protein itself. So अगर उसको आपको shine provide करना है, उसका overall strength maintain करना है, growth maintain करना है, so you have to use certain amount of protein or eat protein on a day-to-day basis. So this can also aid with shiny hair and healthy hair. Just gonna open my hair now using a comb to detangle this now and apply the mask. बहुत easy apply करना और इसमें कोई भी harsh chemical नहीं है. This is made up of all natural ingredient. And now you must be thinking, why am I not touching my roots? My roots are very oily. Okay, so ये अपने आप penetrate हो ही जाएगा when I will create a bun and leave it for 20 minutes. That's why I'm not applying this all over my roots. अब जो भी बच गया है वो I will try to. And that's it. I've created a low burn right here ताकि ये mask किसी और चीज़ों में ना लग जाए. I need to keep this mask for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, I can rinse off this mask using lukewarm water and shampoo and later condition my hair. Length of my hair को condition करना बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि उनका frizzy nature है काफ़ी. Okay, so I love face mask, hair mask. I find them very therapeutic. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत relaxing लगता है मुझे ये सब. And उसके काफ़ी benefits भी होते हैं जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया. Now I need to close this डब्बा right here. You all can see that I've used so much of this product already. I've been loving this a lot lately. 20 minutes are done and this is what my hair looks like. Mask बहुत deeply penetrate कर चुका है. Let me go wash my hair. And I'm back. I'm going to towel dry and air dry my hair. उसके बाद I will show you result that how my hair looks after it is all dried up. And this is me day 2 after completely towel drying and air drying my hair. I've been using this mask for over a month now, once a week. So I want to talk about some of the end results of using this mask. So if I will talk about my hair condition, my scalp is extremely oily and the concern part for me, for my hair, are the ends. Because they are very damaged, frizzy nature भी है उनका और बिल्कुल unhealthy hair है नीचे से. So that is why I love to use this mask to bring back some life to my hair. So now if I will touch my hair, they feel extremely healthy to touch and soft to touch. And वो दिखने में भी healthy लगते हैं. So I've been using this mask to bring back some life to my hair and to keep them healthy looking. Different mask का different role होता है. I also love to use DIY mask on my hair. You know, ACB water भी use करती हूँ मैं अपने बालों में to clear the dandruff from my hair and to bring back some bounciness to my hair. अगर आपका scalp बहुत dry है तो आप इस mask को twice a week use कर सकते हो. ठीक है, आपके scalp पे अच्छे से use कर सकते हो. This will also solve the dandruff issue because this one has argan oil in this. So yes, I love taking care of my hair and my skin in total, and masking is something which I've been loving once a week. First thing first, I'm going to remove the nail paint that I already had on my nails. By the way, that nail paint color lasted on my nails for a week. I'm going to show you how. To remove the nail paint, I'm going to use Calabar acetone free nail paint remover in a cotton pad. This nail paint remover also has vitamin E and B5 in it that can hydrate my skin. So I love this nail paint remover. So this is what my nails look like after removing all the nail paint from my nails. You all can see that I have this yellow stain from the previous nail paint, and this usually happens with me because I never apply base coat. I'm always in a hurry, guys, that's why. So anyway, I like to file and shape my nails once a week. So I like to file the entire nail. I'm going to use this filer which I got from Nykaa. I will provide link for this in the description box. Vega also makes a good one, so make sure you check them out. I'm going to start filing my base now. For that, I've pinched my nail slightly and then started filing just so that I have a steady nail to work on. To remove the yellow stain, I'm filing the center of my nails first and then going in the corner direction for my nails. Once I'm happy with the result, I have a clean base and all the yellow stain is gone from my nails. Now I will repeat the exact same steps for the rest of my nails, pinching the finger and then later filing the center and corner of my nails. Now I will use a clean cotton pad to remove all the filed particles from my nails, and here's a comparison for you. Left side of my nails look well polished, they have a clean base to work on, and right one, they need some filing, I know that. Now I will start shaping my nails using that same filer. I'm going for a Scoville shade that is square and oval. Corner से वो हल्का सा oval दिखेगा. Anyway guys, I usually end up making them in a round shape. So filing your nails के काफी फायदे हैं. If you're trying to give a shape to your nails, try filing instead of cutting your nails. इससे से क्या होगा, आप कंट्रोल कर सकते हो और आप लेंथ भी अच्छे से मेंटेन कर सकते हो. दिस विल ऑल्सो हार्डन योर नेल्स, क्योंकि क्या कर रहे हो, फाइल कर रहे हो, राइट? तो इट्स बेसिकली कटिंग योर नेल्स स्लोली एंड स्टेडीली एंड गेटिंग दैट डिजायर्ड शेप. एंड लास्टली योर नेल्स आर गोइंग टू लुक ऑल क्लीन्ड, वेल मेंटेन्ड एंड इन अ गुड शेप. इसके ऊपर आप कोई सा भी नेल पेंट लगाओगे, दिस इज गोइंग टू लास्ट फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. And lastly, I'm going to use some nail paint remover and clean my nails once again. And उसके ऊपर I'm going to apply my favorite nail color of the month. This is Top It All from Sugar Classic Collection. I'm going to take some nail paint in that brush. Okay, so excess को remove करने के बाद I'm going to start in the center. So पहले मैं center पे apply करूँगी and then I will apply the nail on my corners. And finally, I'm going to prevent my nail from chipping by locking the tip of my nail. And that's it. Face masking. Just like hair masking and hair oiling, I find face masking to be very therapeutic and relaxing. I always try to mask my face once a week just to get some benefits out of that face mask and also have that relaxing time. And guess what guys, I have a box full of face masks. There are some sheet masks, कुछ wash off mask, बहुत सारे mask हैं मेरे पास क्योंकि face mask is a part of my skincare routine, so I always test and try new masks. You know, I'm always in a hunt of new masks. So I always listen to my face कि मेरा face क्या चाहता है, whether I'm feeling very tired, whether my face is detanned, बहुत ज़्यादा acne हो रहे हैं या मेरा face बहुत rough हो रहा है. और वैसे आप लोगों को ये पता ही होगा कि मुझे masking बहुत पसंद है and आप लोगों को मेरी skin type के बारे में भी पता होगा. अगर नहीं पता तो let me tell you, I have a combination skin. That is, my T-zone is oily, so accordingly I like to apply mask. Sometimes I will use घर का mask, you know, DIY mask on my face. Sometimes I will use store-bought mask. So what should we use today? I feel like I should use a detan face pack. So today I've decided to use this Tijori Wild Turmeric Anti-Tan face pack. It's a good face pack. और ये ऐसा powder जैसा आता है. Can you see? So I'm just going to take some this much, okay, and I will dilute this using distilled water. I'm just going to add a little twist to this mask. I will add 1 drop of tea tree oil, okay, and apply this mask on a clean face. So I'm going to leave this mask for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it dries completely on my face. So ये 15 से 20 मिनट में क्या करूँगी? I will do my regular work. Some editing is left, so मैं वो करूँगी. और कभी कभार तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, मास्क लगा के लेट जाती हूँ, थोड़ा रिलैक्स हो जाती हूँ, म्यूजिक सुनती हूँ. So I love masking. This is truly therapeutic to me, and my skin really feels relaxed after masking. So it's been more than 15 minutes, and now I need to wash this mask off from my face. What I will do, I will apply some water इस पूरे मास्क के ऊपर, and I will start rubbing my face and then wash this mask off क्योंकि ये एक tightening mask भी है. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. I'm back. So this is what my face looks like. My face feels tightened up and बहुत clean लग रहा है. So that was a detanning pore tightening face pack, and now I need to apply some aloe vera gel or some serum or some cream just so that I can have some moisture back to my face, and that's it. My skin feels clean, it feels relaxed, there's a glow to my face. So I love using face pack once a week and sometimes twice a week depending upon my mood and how stressed my skin is that day. I shave my face twice a week, and this is a huge part of my skincare and self-care routine. I have PCOD skin, so I do get a lot of facial hair, and shaving my face is the quickest and the easiest method to remove the facial hair. I've already done a detailed video that how I like to shave my face. I will put an iCard right here. You can go and watch the video. Shaving के काफी फायदे हैं. This not only exfoliates your skin, removes the dead skin from your face, but also whatever product that you will use on your face, say a day cream, night cream, facial oil, serum will sit nicely on your skin and penetrate deep into your skin and give you best results. और हाँ, makeup also sits nicely on your face. Makeup looks flawless on your face. There is no stickiness of foundation on your face. And I'm so used to shaving my face. Even if I'm at home or I'm traveling, I will make sure that I have all my products that I use for shaving. So these are my top 5 things which I like to do on a monthly and weekly basis. There are other things which I was not able to cover in this video. Maybe I can do part 2 for you all. And yes, मैंने पूरी कोशिश की मैं ज़्यादा बात कर सकूँ और आपको explain कर सकूँ चीज़ें और benefits भी बता सकूँ. On that note, I really hope you found this video relatable, helpful and informative. For more of such videos, आपको पता है क्या करना है? Subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell icon. Like, comment, share this video, all those good things. Okay? I'll see you next time. Bye guys.